think it's best to take this question quite slow and just realize what you're multiplying by and what you're dividing by. So if I start with 18 rice cakes and they weigh 130 grams, then I can work out what one rice cake costs by dividing through by 18. Technically, I'm using proportion here and I'm just dividing both by 18. And what I get then here is 7 and 2 ninths. Or 7.22222 if you want to write it as a decimal. It goes on forever. Okay, so that's one rice cake weighs 7 and 2 ninths grams. Okay, how does that help us? Well, we know that 329 calories is 100 grams. So let's try and work out what 7 and 2 ninths grams is in calories. Okay, to do that, we can do another sort of proportion setup. 329 and 100. I've just used this information on the second line. And then I could maybe work out what 1 gram is worth. For 100 grams is this. What am I doing? Again, I'm dividing by something. I'm dividing by 100. Divide by 100, and it's going to be 3.29. So 1 gram is 3.29 calories. And then I'm basically there. If I know what 1 gram is, I can work out what 7 and 2 ninths grams is. It's going to be 7 and 2 ninths times 3.29. And that is equal to 23.761. I think the recurring was above that little 1. If I want to write that in a sort of a sensible way, then I probably would round it to 3 significant figures, and it's going to be 23.8 calories. So I've taken my time in this question. A quick way of doing it is to basically do you do 329. You multiply that by 130. Actually, do you know what? I can't even remember what you do, but because it's not as clear. Let me just check. Is it that? But I think the way I've done it is taking it step by step, and it's like clear why I'm dividing by certain things. So that is the answer. But like you've got to think, why am I doing this fraction? Whereas if I take it step by step and just work out what 1 gram is, what 1 rice cake weighs, and so on, then the answer is more clearly obtained.